Hey there, it's Brian Dunat. I'm the Director of Technical Sales here for North America. So real quick, what I want to show you is I have our Neat Board 50 behind us running in App Hub mode, and then I actually have our Neat Bar running in Zoom. So typically what we're seeing is customers are coming in and they're joining a Zoom meeting. So I'm going to do that. And now I have this up. I have my remote attendee in the meeting, but then I need to interact with something such as an application like Miro. So I'm going to leverage my Board 50. I'm going to fire this up, and now I have Miro, and I can start writing on this. The problem is that those on the far end cannot see what I'm writing. So we're going to leverage our new technology here, which is Neat Share. So when I press this button, what you're going to notice is that it's going to wirelessly share that content right into our Zoom meeting for those on the far end to be able to see that. And then when I'm done, if maybe I wanted to go back and look at something else, I can just click back, and again, you're going to see that this content is being duplicated right there into the Zoom meeting for the far end folks. So again, this is our Neat Bar paired with our Neat Board 50 in App Hub mode. And for any more information, just feel free to go to neat.no. And thanks for watching.